Guys, this is the awesomeness of being me. Remember I said I always get to see GTRs? Well, there you go, another one just turned up. Wow! This car is lovely.
No, Alice, you carry on. You're more than welcome.
This is absolutely beautiful. You know what? I'm so happy I brought my GoPro. I wasn't going to do any filming today.
Yeah.
And
the brakes are crap.
Oh, do I get to drive it?
You can drive around the block if you want, but the brakes are crap.
Jeez, okay. This is right, everyone. Let me gotta get my seating position on, right? This is definitely not something I expected to do today. Let me get the camera up. Ooh, wow. Okay, I'm actually so excited by this. Instantly, this is just something special. Really is. Let me just right, well, let's just quickly just take this car out for a little drive. This is so different from my 32. Everything is up to temperature as well. Oh, the steering wheel is tiny. Yep, his brakes are definitely nowhere near as good as mine, but everything else is so much tighter. I'm gonna close that window so you can all actually, I can make sure you all hear me. I'm gonna change the view very quickly. Hopefully this view is nice for you all. I definitely am sitting a bit close, but that's not always a bad thing. Wow. Oh, this is great. So the diff is very clunky on this. I'm not sure what's going on there. Just got a guy nodding his head at me. The car feels so tight in so many ways. There's something going on with the rear diff, I think. Not sure what's going on with that. This car is still a work in progress, and I guess that's the best thing about it, really. I'll actually go turn the car around. The steering wheel is so much smaller than the stock one. Yeah, there's something up with the rear diff. I'm really not sure what's going on there, but I guess it's just one of those things where it is what it is. I'll ask him about it in the near once I get to speak to him. Right, well, one thing I have realized is the seat, really nice. I definitely need to upgrade my seat. I'm actually looking at how his seat buckles are, because that's the one thing that I need on mine. It doesn't have the original seat belt, it's just only got the harnesses, so it'd be nice to get the original seat belts on there. Gosh, it is such a world of a difference compared to mine. But we've got the HKS pod filters on as well. Majority of the car is basically stock. Got a nice small battery, which is something that I need to do to mine. Need to get the mount for it as well. That looks nice, not bad. This is a nice little carbon fiber panel here, fan shroud kind of cover. Oh, this is very clean, very clean. I am very impressed. So Zeal coilovers. Right, let's have a look inside, because really this is the bit that's actually important to me. So I'm looking around. Obviously I can't get the rear seats on my car anymore, but it's so clean. All the panel, this has actually got a really good condition dashboard to it. There's no bubbles or creaks, and hopefully, inshallah, it stays that way. But the rest of the car is really nice. And when you actually sit inside, You know, the carpet's not creased up here. But one thing I have realized is the carpet is very tight against the seat over here. The carpet is actually very tight against the seat over here. So I got a feeling the seat, the original seat, actually just about glides over this. Because you can see it there, it's literally touching. This is nice as well. He's got like a little bit of foam padding over the top. Over the top here. Got a nice little cover. I think I might need to do this. Mine doesn't have the clock here anymore either. I'm not sure if I'm going to put something else here or if I'm just going to put a blank in place like this. But it's a nice little thing to have here. These clocks are so rare. The Nismo, the original old school logo here as well. And it's going up to 320 kilometers per hour, which is obviously, as many of you know, 200 miles per hour. And whew, this is nice. Should I go home and pick up my R32 and then we can put these two next to each other? Because it looks good next to the S3000, but it'll be interesting to see this next to the 32. I think I have to. I think I need to go home and pick up my 32. Just look at the outside there. The wheel fitment is so nice. Ah, and it's in white. It's in white. I love R32s in white. There's something so classic Japanese about them. What's going on with the rear?
It's got a operated diff, but we don't know what it is.
Scared the life out of me. Scared. I was like,
my cousin hates it, but I think it's a character of the car. I think it's hilarious. It's all horribly crunchy and like a race diff or something.
I have never experienced a diff that aggressive.
Don't know. It could well be an Ismo. It could be.
It's like a two-way.
I didn't ask the question. He said to me, until we open it up, we won't know.
I genuinely thought I broke the car. But I didn't even boost it. Look how good that looks. I'm gonna go pick up mine. Time to jump into this baby. Woo. I'm so excited to have this car out with his. The funniest thing ever, I just had the same guy see me driving the 32, the white one, and now he's just seen me driving mine, and he's like, every time he's like, yes, yes, awesome. Now you can see a little bit of the logo. It's got power next to it.
Super Trader.
Yeah.
Wow. One of the only ones.
Very old one. Gosh, look at how different they look.
You don't want to buy a silver car, man.
GTR friend. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. So, but yeah, can you just grab your toolbox real quick? I just need to. Yeah, just a few, not too much.
You can see this one is it's not a good time.
The brakes, you know what? The brakes on this are unbelievably good.
You put longer wheel studs from Tito yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
I saw them, and I was thinking that
I'm
anyway.
gonna get my feet in pictures. I don't normally wear sandals.
Gosh. Same cars, completely different. A world apart from each other. Time to take some more photos. Right, I'm gonna now look at both of the two cars and compare all the bits that I need to look at, and kind of get a good understanding of what I need to do to this. So that's gonna be nice for me.
As I said, it needs certain things putting back in, and
Oh, you got the HIDs on. That's one thing I need to do as well.
definitely.
Look at the difference between the two.
The Zeal suspension is horrible. It's gone, I think. I'm just shocked.
You know what? If you drive this, you'll be like, wow, that is so comfortable and stuff. Alright, time to say bye-bye to everyone. Driving home time now. Let the car warm up a little bit. How awesome is this? God, his car looks amazing. everyone, I really hope you enjoyed this. It's just a quick little vlog. It's great to catch up with friends, you know, with lockdown and everything going on. It's been hard to see each other, communicate and stuff, and really for us car guys, it's all about the passion. It's all about the catching up, talking cars, you know, all these little bits and pieces. And you know, it's really nice to just have that little time together and just have that chat. And even better, the fact that he came out in his cousin's R32, and I had to get mine out as well. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, as well as leave a comment for me down below if you want to see anything else. I'm really trying to get him to bring out his cousin's R34 V-Spec. It's absolutely beautiful. He's also got an R33 GTR, but it's getting some work done to it at the moment. But it's really nice for him to come over and show us the car and everything. So let me just get back onto my road. But yeah, for now everyone, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out. Bye.